Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to teach you how you can edit Weebly website. Editing Weebly website is simple and easy to perform. For that, firstly you have to open a web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com, and from there make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you land on the home page, click on the hamburger option which is located at the bottom left corner of the screen. From there you will see an option saying website. Simply click on it, and from there click on the option saying edit site, and this page will give you the list of website which you can edit. From there select the website and click on the option saying edit, and you will be redirected to Weebly editor. And that's it. Now you know how you can edit your Weebly website. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.